Question: how many times a day do you look at the clock at work? If you can't wait for the weekend and finding your job unfulfilling, then I ask, would you like to stay at home and make your income and actually be appreciated for what you do? Do you like the sound of an automated income bringing you money 24/7? You know, work once, get paid again and again. Would you like some free videos that will show you how all this is possible sent to your inbox? Just hit the link somewhere around this video and get yourself a free copy. Your job is probably the highest paid job you've ever had, and it pays the bills. But if you're feeling stressed, broken and worn out, consider how long you have before you retire. Do you really want to be where you are, feeling how you do until you retire? Did you know you can make money online by selling other people's stuff? Watch the free videos and you'll see there are other options out there. You can create the exact thing that will excite you to do every day online and make a comfortable living doing it from your own home in just 30 minutes a day and around your current commitments. Be as important as the job you do right now, all on your own, without the daily commute. And finally, have the time to put into action the side of you that dreams what life should be. Imagine being the shining example of what's possible to everyone around you. Build a personalised career ladder that will grow in whatever direction you decide, with every bit of support you may need from real people with real results that will help you achieve the same. This is a proven process that you will be personally guided through, and many are taken advantage of. It's the real deal, and you could too. So check out the videos and decide what's possible for you. Stop being miserable.